Okay, so here is a quick update on my XM account. My account balance is about $279. 237 is my equity, and like I'm left with 41 of bonus or credit. So if I go to my trades, I don't have any open or pending positions. I have made about 15 or $16 yesterday, and yeah, I closed that trade pretty late, so it's showing today. So if I go to the last 7 days, so this is the trade history, and I think it's more than enough. I think it's very good. So that's why I have made a aim, like I'll be making about just 10, 15 or 20 quid a day. So I'll just quickly show you. I had taken two withdrawals. So I had taken $100 withdrawal last week and one $22 withdrawal. So the $22 withdrawal I have used to buy the bootcamp program with Fifers, and the $100 is like I kept it with myself because I had been working hard on this account. So if you see, like this is a prop firm. I mean, it's a UK based broker, and they are having the funded evaluation, and I'm quite interested in their program. So today I am going to take a withdrawal of about 45 $47, and they're actually they are having different programs. I'll discuss about this later on. So basically I want to take a 10K one step evaluation, which cost about $45 after discount. So it will be a one step evaluation, and so I'm interested to take that. And they are having different program. One, I'm interested in one of their programs. So it's called Phoenix program, where your account size will scale at every 10% of milestone achieved. So, but because it's an instant program, so it cost more money. So my plan is to take the 45 withdrawal from XM and take a 10K one step evaluation. I will pass that evaluation, and then I will take that Phoenix account. This is the website of Moneta Funding, and as you can see that they are having different details, and it's a broker-based firm, so quite reliable, and like they have a lot of option. They are not like some of the prop firms which are not very trader friendly, and these are some of their evaluation accounts. So like uh, yeah, so I will just come back to my XM, and I'll just take a $45 withdrawal. I'll go to manage. I have already made a separate video on how to withdraw, but I'll go to withdraw. Then my bank account is already linked, and I'll choose my account where I want to take the withdrawal, and they are giving about $94.5 94.5 rupees for $1, and I think it's good. I'm selecting $47 because due to the FX, there may be difference when I will be paying. So it's coming to be 4,442, and I'm left with about $223, and I'm quite happy and satisfied with this account growth. And like my plan is to, like, there are 10 trading days left in this month, so my plan is to be consistent and slow. Even if I'm making $10 a day, I think that is more than enough. So my balance is 223, and my equity is 190, whereas my free margin is about $31. So I'll keep posted about how it's going on. And but overall, I mean, this is going quite good, and like